Now let's come back and do one more numerical in cold rush, a bit different from the earlier numerical. Let's see this. What do they give us? The conductivity of 0.01 mole per liter solution of acetic acid is so much. Okay, they've given us conductivity value. So I already said before doing the numericals, try to go to the concept, learn the concept and come back to this numerical. Then calculate its molar conductivity and degree of dissociation, alpha. Okay, very nice. They have asked me, they've clubbed two topics now. They've clubbed the conductivity concept and the cold rush law concept. Let's see how to do. As soon as this particular numerical is given to you, try to write the data which is given to you so that you will get mark there also. So given data, what is given to you? The conductivity of 0.01 mole per liter. What is mole per liter? Nothing but molarity, isn't it? Molarity is number of moles of the solute dissolved per 1 liter of the solution. Volume of the solution in liters. So this is mole per liter, that is molarity. So what is molarity given to me? Molarity given to me is 0.001 mole per liter of solution is, or conductivity, what is it represented by? It is represented by K is equal to, this is kappa. Conductivity is nothing but kappa, isn't it? Right? It is equal to 3.905 into 10 raised power of minus 5 Siemen centimeter minus 1. Okay. What should I calculate? I have to calculate the molar conductivity. Yeah. I have to calculate molar conductivity, that is lambda m. Right, I have to calculate molar conductivity of that one and degree of dissociation alpha also. Right, now they've also given me the molar conductivity of the individual cation and anion. This is at infinite dilution. This is also infinite dilution or that particular thing, but specifically for cation and anion. Now how are these three related? Let us write the formula first. First, let me come back from here. This is alpha, that is degree of dissociation. We very well know alpha is equal to, it is a ratio of molar conductivity at certain concentration by the molar conductivity at infinite dilution. Done. Let's come back. Now I have to find this also and I have to find this also because I need to take the ratio. What is the formula for this? The formula, look, let us write this formula. The molar conductivity at certain dilution is equal to conductivity kappa into 1000 by cm, that is molarity. If it is here, this is the other one, then we write it as normality, that is equivalent to it. Now what is conductivity value given to us? Lambda m, c is equal to 3.905 into 10 raised power of minus 5 Siemen centimeter minus 1 into 1000 by, this is not centimeter, this is molarity. What is molarity given to us? 0.001 mole per liter. When I solve this, I get an answer of 39.05 Siemen centimeter square per mole. See here, Siemen centimeter square. Because this also has units, yeah, this unit when it comes above, right, Siemen centimeter square mole inverse. This is one value. This is over. Now let me erase this part and come back to the next part. Now what should I do? I have to calculate the second part, that is this one, lambda molar conductivity at infinite dilution, which is equal to the sum of molar conductivity of H plus molar conductivity. Okay, this is not the thing I should write. I have to write this value because they've given me this molar conductivity of H plus molar conductivity of acetic acid minus. So when I add this two, I get an answer. Okay, so let me take H plus is how much? 349.6 Siemen centimeter square mole in liter in mole inverse, plus acetic acid given to me is 40.9 Siemen centimeter square mole inverse 1. And when I add these two, I get molar conductivity value equal to 390.5 Siemen centimeter square by mole. I've got both the values. Now let's come back and substitute. So let me erase this part and come back and substitute in the third formula. So this is your third formula. So what did I get? Third formula, m value, how much did I get? I got 39.05. Done. Siemen centimeter square per mole, molar conductivity, that one. This one value I got it as 390.5 Siemen centimeter square per mole. When I cancel both, I get, because it's a ratio, I get an answer of 0.1. So this is your degree of dissociation. Remember, try to write the formula for this and see what quantities you require, and then come back and write the formula. This is how you're going to solve. So let us write the final answer. This is one answer. Lambda Cm is 39.05. Siemens centimeter square mole inverse is one answer. The third answer would be molar conductivity in finite dilution, which is equal to 390.5 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. This is the next one. This is what is the, so 3 answers. You'll be getting 3 marks for this.